Hi guys, this is a thing called Energy Awake. If you wake up and you're low or you're tired or somebody's coming and you want to do a good job in speaking to them instead of just getting up, this will energy awake, right? Okay, so it's very simple. Anybody can do it. Little kids can do it. And you can be in a really bad mood, or you can be funky or tired, and you do this for maybe 8 minutes. Your whole day, it's a new day. It's like, it's a new day, it's a new dawn. There's about 3 ways that you can breathe. One of the breaths is like this. In with the nose, big chest, and out with the mouth and collapse it. So big in, it's the big in. And I'm making my hands move the same way that the breathing is. So that's the bite right there, is you gotta take a deep one. You can do a little, and that's not gonna do very much. In with the nose, and out with the mouth and make a little sound. And then do it again. That's it. Doesn't that feel good? Okay, that's one of the breaths. Now another one is this. In with the nose and out with the nose. It's part 2. So it's... And open up your eyes. That's the second one. Now here's the next one. In with the mouth and out with the mouth, and make that sound. That's it. This feels good. Now, double time. It's in the mouth. Start to open up your eyes when you do it. I'm doing my hands like I'm doing my eyes. Now when you do another breathing with the eyes, you can do it slow and deep. And you reach out. So you reach out like you're fishing. And it gets your brain when you cast out. The next part of this whole breathing mechanism, we're just trying to break it down for you. So you do that first one you do with the breath is with your chest. You fill it up and you go. See, I'm doing my hands like you do your ribs. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. Got it? As big as you can now. Now this time you go up into the brain and you do your eyes. So it's adding a little bit now. So it's like up into the brain. And I'll put it together fast. That spins the energy, gets it in my brain, gets it in my ears, Gets it in my heart, in my eyes, in my chest. Whew, a little dizzy. Dizzy's really good when you do this. That means there's oxygen and there's blood getting moved around in your cerebrum, cerebellum, and in your eyes and in your whole brain, and it's really enlivening. You could just do this for 5 minutes. Make bigger eyes. And if you see a really pretty girl, woohoo! So just stop and feel. Feel your arms, feel your chest, feel your head. Before you started, a couple of minutes back, how did you feel? And now, how do you feel? Okay, you ready? Same thing, just standing. Nose, nose. And fill it up. Fill it up and bring the eyes open. Do you use your chest? Chest, eyes, fill it up. That's it, crazy face. Now we're going to bring it down a little bit. It's like with enthusiasm, right? Now, if you want to get even more enthusiastic, you can jump, your heels can come off the ground. And for you youngsters, and then just come back down. Hold it. And let go. That's really fun. Look at that big smile, and it makes you happy, doesn't it? Okay, now that we've done it all the way from the bottom up to the top and to the whole body, now we're going to do a few extra things that are really make it even more fun, like patting. And come on up. Pat your tummy. Why are you always hitting yourself? Here's how we do the kidney rub. Yeah, you can keep your hands open or you can close them. And you take them like this and you put them behind you and you good for your circulation if you get your kidneys going. Go down to your buns. And then get your sides of your thighs. Good. Patting's very good. And then we're going to do again. Pick it up. Deeper. Deeper and faster. Big eyebrows. Quick as you can. And hold it. So just relax. And how do you feel now? Tingles, dizzy, energy, lightheaded, more peaceful, more connected.